How to turn on or turn off graphics driver for debugging apps on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. After that, we then scroll down to the bottom and tap on Developer Options. Now in here, scroll down to the debugging section. So here it is. And then tap on Graphics Driver. At the top, tap on Apply Graphics Driver Settings. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. Once it is turned on, you can also, if you have other graphics drivers, you can choose the default or system graphic drivers. And there it is. Finally, tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.